Hello and welcome to this video about single variable parameters. We are excited to have you here, and in this video we will talk some about the parameter named mean, or the mean, or also called the average. And we can say that this video is different from most other videos in that we won't just tell you how to calculate a mean or make an attempt at defining the mean, but we will go a bit deeper and talk about what a mean really describes, without any excessive use of mathematical notation or mathematics for that matter, which is unusual as most means most commonly are defined by either program code or through a definition in the mathematical or other languages, or perhaps most commonly used as a magic descriptor of a variable in a dataset. So, do you remember the video about the total? The total and the mean are very close relatives or neighbors, and as a matter of fact, the standard arithmetic mean is calculated as the total of values divided by the total number of units. A mean is therefore a ratio between two totals. So, let's begin and talk about the details of the mean. So, alright, what is a mean and what is it good for? And the best answer is very simple. An arithmetic mean is a ratio between two dependent totals. So we have the total of values divided by the total number of units. And this creates a ratio, which we call the mean. And a mean is also a parameter in a very common mathematical distribution, normally called the Gaussian distribution or the normal distribution. And we can use the mean to describe the numeric central tendency of a set of values. For example, we can talk about the mean length of a number of students in a class or a school. And we can use that mean to describe the mean length of the students. We can use the means of several classes to describe the mean development of the length of the students over time. We can use means to describe a dataset or a part of a dataset. We can use means for comparisons, so we can compare many different datasets and subparts of datasets with each other. And we can use means to describe trends, development. Means can describe growth or decline on average over time. And all of this makes means very useful for data description purposes. So, alright, today you have learned a lot about the mean. It is possible that you have learned more than many students learn while spending a decade in school or at a university. And we look forward to see you in the next video.